Test for divisibility of numbers. Divisibility rules help us to find whether a number divides another number completely without performing actual division. The divisibility rule of 2 is a number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its ones place. That means the even numbers are in ones place or the multiples of 2 are in ones place. For example, 1586, 6680, 4,29,714 are divisible by 2 because their ones digits are 604. Check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. We consider the ones place. In ones place any one of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number must be divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 153. The sum of the digits is 1 plus 5 plus 3. We get the sum is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So the sum of the digits 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore the number 153 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. For 1 and 2 digit number, just check the divisibility by actual division. For numbers with 3 or more digit is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digit is divisible by 4. That means the given number is 1 digit or 2 digit number. We just check the divisibility by actual division. Then the number have more than 2 digit numbers. We consider the tens and ones place. Check that it is divisible by 4 or not. One example, 7,26,352. Check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So, is the last 2 digit number. Then it divided by 4 or not. It is divided by 4. We get the remainder is 0. So, check that. Here 5 greater than 4. Dividend is greater and the divisor is smaller 1. So, we take 5. Then 4 ones are 4. Then subtract the number 5 minus 4, 1. Here 1 is less than 4. Here 1 is the dividend is smaller 1 and the divisor is greater 1. So now we bring down the ones place 2. Then 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 right here and 12. Then subtract the number. We get 0. So we get the remainder as 0. Remainder 0. The quotient is 13. 52 is divisible by 4. So the number is also divisible by 4. Check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So we take the last 2 digit numbers 5, 9. 1 4s are 4. Then subtract the number. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now bring down the ones place 9. 4 4s are 16. 9 minus 6, 3. Here remainder is not 0. Here the remainder is 3. Therefore 59 is not divisible by 4. 59 is not divisible by 4. Therefore the number is not divisible by 4. Therefore the number is not divisible by 4. Another example, 6000. Check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. Here the last 2-digit number is 0. 0 is divisible by 4, hence the number is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place. For example, 8975 is divisible by 5 because it has 5 in its ones place. 75,293 is not divisible by 5 because its ones digit is neither 0 nor 5. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. That means a given number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Given number is 1258. Check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. First we check it is divisible by 2. Then it is divisible by 3. Both 2 and 3 the number is divisible. Then we conclude that the number is divisible by 6. So first we check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So here the unit place is 8. That means the ones place is 8. So the number is divisible by 2. Then we have to check the divisibility by 3. The sum of all digits of 1258 is 16. 16 is not a multiple of 3. 16 is not divisible by 3. Hence, the given number 1258 is not divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. It must be checked by actual division. Divisibility by 8. The number have 1, 2 or 3 digits. Check the divisibility by actual division. The numbers have more than 3 digits. We take the last 3 digits of that number. Then check that it is divisible by 8 or not. The given number 21,084. Check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. Here we take the last 3 digit number 084. That means 84. Then we check that 84 is divisible by 8 or not. We get the remainder as 4. So 84 is not divisible by 8. So the number is not divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. For example, check whether 19,981 is divisible by 9 or not. Sum of the digit is 27. So 27 is the multiple of 9. Therefore, the number is divisible by 9. Another example, 54,731. Find out the sum of the digit. It is 20. 20 is not divisible by 9. So, the number is not divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 at its ones place. For example, 98,370. 0 is its units place. So, the number is divisible by 10. Another example, 53,948, which is not divisible by 10 because its ones digit is not 0. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places of the number is either 0 or divisible by 11. So, check whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. First, we have to find out the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places. Then, find out the difference of the sum of the odd places and the even places. Then we get 0 or multiples of 11. That given number is divisible by 11. For example, 10,824. Check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. So we have to find out the sum of odd places and even places from the right. So the odd places are 4, 8, 1 and the even places are 2, 0. Add the odd places, we get 13 and the sum of the even places 2. And the difference is 13 minus 2, 11, which is divisible by 11. Hence, the given number is divisible by 11. Another example, 71,38,965. Sum of the digits at odd places is 24 and the sum of the digits at even places is 15. Then the difference we get 9. 9 is not a multiple of 11. Therefore, 9 is not divisible by 11. Hence, the given number is not divisible by 11.